Aging is obvious in the mirror: wrinkles, age spots, thinning hair. But underneath those visible signs is a more subtle story. The body slowly loses strength, mobility, and resilience. A lot of this isn't inevitable, it's the natural consequence of underuse. The human body is built to move, to lift, to balance, to stretch. When those demands disappear, the body has no reason to maintain function. Muscles shrink, bones weaken, joints stiffen, and balance falters. Simply put, if you don't use it, you lose it. This is why inactivity is such a powerful driver of aging. Physical decline isn't just about chronological age, it's about how much the body is challenged on a daily basis. When movement becomes optional, the systems that rely on regular stimulus begin to dwindle. Strength that was taken for granted fades. Coordination that was once automatic becomes shaky. Even vital organs like the heart and lungs respond to the lack of demand by slowing down. Over time, the body adapts to less, and less becomes the new normal. Exercise interrupts this process. It reminds the body that muscles, bones, and joints are still needed. Strength training, walking, balance exercises, or even simple daily activities send constant signals that these systems are valuable. When the body senses challenge, it preserves, repairs, and sometimes even improves function. The difference is dramatic. A 70-year-old moves regularly, can climb stairs, carry groceries, and play with grandchildren with ease, while someone sedentary struggles with tasks that seem basic. Movement also protects against falls, fractures, and chronic disease. Balance and coordination improve with practice, reducing the risk of dangerous slips. Muscles and bones that are regularly stressed resist weakening. Cardiovascular activity keeps the heart and lungs efficient, lowering the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Even the brain benefits exercise, enhances focus, memory, and mood, fighting the cognitive stagnation that can accompany aging. The best part is that it's never too late to start. The body remains responsive to challenge at every age. You don't need extreme workouts to see change. Even short walks, chair exercises, resistance bands, or water-based activities create stimulus. The key is consistency. Daily challenge signals to the body that function matters. In the end, aging is inevitable, but decline doesn't have to be. Wrinkles and gray hair may mark the passage of time, but loss of strength, independence, and mobility is optional. The body preserves what it needs and abandons what it doesn't. Moving, challenging, and engaging it daily keeps that needed list long. Inactivity accelerates the opposite, letting go of strength, balance, and vitality that could otherwise be maintained for decades.
Stay connected and get your daily hot insights. See ya!